Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Removing and changing field values with Karate Framework, a comprehensive guide. Karate is a powerful and easy-to-use framework for API testing that simplifies the process of creating and executing tests. A common requirement in API testing is to manipulate the request payload before sending it. This includes removing or modifying existing fields. This tutorial will explore various techniques for achieving this with Karate, along with detailed explanations and practical code examples. Understanding the need for field manipulation. Before diving into the techniques, let's understand why you might need to remove or change field values. Testing validation rules. You might want to test how the API handles missing or invalid fields. Simulating different scenarios. You might need to send a request with specific data combinations to cover various use cases. Data masking. You may need to remove sensitive data before sending a request to a test environment. API contract compliance. You might want to ensure that the API behaves correctly even when certain fields are omitted. Optimizing request size. Removing unnecessary fields can improve performance, especially for APIs with large payloads. Methods for removing fields in Karate. Karate provides several ways to remove fields from a JSON payload. 1. Using remove keyword, targeting by path. The most direct and recommended approach is using the remove keyword along with a JSON path expression to target the specific field. This is a declarative and clean way to achieve your goal. Explanation. Given URL https://recraze.in/api/users, sets the base URL for the API endpoint. Def request payload equals, defines a multiline string representing the JSON payload. Remove request payload.age, this is the key part. It uses the remove keyword followed by the JSON path request payload.age to target the age field in the request payload object. The field will be deleted. And request payload, sets the request body to the modified request payload. When method post, specifies the HTTP method as post. Then status 201, asserts that the response status code is 201, created. Print response, prints the response body to the console for inspection. Removing nested fields. You can remove fields within nested objects using JSON paths. 2. Using eval with JavaScript, for complex logic. While remove is usually sufficient, eval provides more flexibility when you need more complex logic for determining which fields to remove. However, overuse can lead to less readable and maintainable code. Explanation. Def should remove age equals true, defines a variable that controls whether the age field should be removed. Eval if, should remove age, delete request payload.age, this uses JavaScript inside the eval keyword. If should remove age is true, it executes delete request payload.age, effectively removing the field. Important considerations with eval maintainability avoid overly complex JavaScript logic within eval. It can become difficult to understand and maintain. Security be cautious when using user-provided data within eval to prevent potential security vulnerabilities. 3. Creating a copy and removing fields, safe modification. If you need to preserve the original request payload for other tests or assertions, create a copy before removing fields. Explanation. Def modified payload equals karate.copy, request payload. This creates a deep copy of request payload using the karate.copy function. This ensures that changes to modified payload do not affect the original request payload. Methods for changing field values in Karate. Karate offers straightforward ways to modify field values in a JSON payload. 1. Direct assignment. The simplest method is to directly assign a new value to the field using JSON path notation. Explanation asterisk. Asterisk request payload.name equals Jane Smith, this assigns the string Jane Smith to the name field. Asterisk request payload.age equals null, this sets the age field to null. 2. Changing nested field values. Modify nested fields similarly using JSON paths. 3. Using set keyword. The set keyword is another way to modify field values. It's equivalent to direct assignment but provides a slightly more declarative syntax. 4. Using functions to transform values. You can use JavaScript functions to perform more complex transformations on field values. Explanation asterisk. Asterisk def capitalize name equals function, name, return name. To uppercase, defines a JavaScript function that capitalizes a string. Asterisk request payload.name equals capitalize name, request payload.name, calls the capitalize name function with the current value of request payload.name and assigns the result back to the name field. 5. Using data-driven testing with table syntax. Karate's table syntax allows you to easily iterate over different field values, making it ideal for data-driven testing. Explanation asterisk. Asterisk the scenario outline allows you to define a single scenario with placeholders. Asterisk name is a placeholder that will be replaced by values from the examples table. Asterisk the test will run once for each row in the examples table, with the name field in the request payload being set to the corresponding value. Best practices. Asterisk choose the right tool. Asterisk use remove for simple field removal. Use eval only when you need complex logic and no other method is suitable. Asterisk keep it readable. Asterisk write clear and concise code. Use comments to explain complex logic. Asterisk modularize. Asterisk break down complex scenarios into smaller, reusable functions or helper methods. Asterisk test thoroughly. Asterisk cover a wide range of scenarios, including edge cases and error conditions. Asterisk avoid hard coding. Asterisk use variables to store values that might change. Complete example, combining removal and modification. Here's a more complete example that demonstrates both removing and changing fields. Conclusion. Karate provides a flexible and powerful set of tools for manipulating API request payloads. By understanding the various techniques for removing and changing field values, you can create robust and comprehensive API tests that cover a wide range of scenarios. Remember to choose the appropriate method based on the complexity of your task and prioritize readability and maintainability. By following these guidelines, you can effectively leverage Karate to ensure the quality and reliability of your APIs.